In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Windows is slow after update and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So if you're having any kind of trouble after updating your Windows to the latest version, this is what we have to do. So the first one is all about we have to go over here, type here for Task Manager. You have to click on the Task Manager here. And right now, we need to expand this over here. And over here in the left side, you can see we have these options. Click on the Startup Apps here. Right now, what you need to do is if we scroll it down over here, you can see we have loads of apps. These apps are running in the background whenever you are trying to reopen your computer or laptop all the time. So what you need to do is we have to disable this. Over here, as you can see, I have already disabled almost all the apps. And if you wanted to disable any of unwanted apps, this is what we have to do. Navigate to the apps over here, right click, and there is an option for disable. You have to do the disable. After the disable is done, you have to check. Next one is all about we have to go over here, type here for disk cleanup. You have to click on this. Now from here, select the local disk C and go for OK. Now it will be calculating the details over here and go for view files. And now this will be giving you complete details over here. And once you find it, you have to make sure that you put a check on all these boxes and go for clean up system file and just go for OK. And right now it is going to, delete all the caches and such as the file which is unnecessary and unwanted ones on a computer. They're all going to get deleted by this. So you just need to go for OK and right now go for delete files. And right now all these unwanted files will be deleted from a computer, which is going to improve the much better performance over here. And also it is going to take a little bit of time. In the meantime, I'll move to the next step. That is all about we need to roll back the latest Windows update. So to do so, we have to go over here, type here for settings. Now we need to click on the settings here. Once you get into the settings, we need to navigate to the Windows update here. And over here, as you can see, you have to click on advanced option. Now from here, you have to go to optional updates here. And right now, as you can see, if you're having any kind of, updates options or things, this is the latest Windows update which I did. And once you select this, there is an option to download and install. Similarly, you will be having an option to uninstall it where you can do it. And afterwards, you have to check with that as well. These are the steps when it comes to how to fix the issue with Windows Show After Update. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.